What's up, everyone? I'm back with two more boxes of 1819 Donruss. On my budget breaks, I'm inevitably doing a full case, just two boxes at a time. And all I'm really going to do is show you the big hits. Nobody cares to see the base rookies and all that stuff. It'll still take forever because it's like 300 cards. Thick card, if it'll adjust. Some kind of jersey auto, I'm guessing. Save it for last. Maybe it's a Luka. Alright, quick flip. Let me adjust here a little bit. Luka. Base. Melton. Numbered Barnes. Bunch of base. More base. Numbered Allen. More base. Numbered Green. And our autograph is Tyson Chandler, his one. DiVincenzo /99. See, press proofs. Purple Whiteside /199. Alright. Some kind of jersey material. I'm guessing it's autographed because, I mean, you're supposed to get two autos. So, nothing special there. And no big reveal. I'm just going to flip. Michael Porter Jr. 2 of 10. Not bad. Could be a lot worse. Could be like my optic break. Cool. Alright, that's box one. I really don't know how good he is, but I'm pretty sure I could have done worse. I don't know much about him. I've just heard the name. Look at that. I'm barely showing you guys anything. The video's already at almost 5 minutes. Come on, Mo. Alright. Already. And it's another jersey. I'm going to put that down. I'm going to save that. It's way too early. Numbered junk. Enos Cantor. Oh, that was numbered. Reitz Wagner. Well, there's my auto. Billy Preston? Honestly, I got no clue who that is. So that means the rest of the box, the good card is sitting right next to me. The jersey auto. I'm guessing it's a jersey. It's another thick card. D'Angelo Russell. No numbered. Oh, another red. Mellow. 99. Alright. Let's get to it. Come on. Focus. There we go. And the flip. Trae Young. Gotta say, not disappointed. Nice. $53.99, two color, I don't know, maybe a sock. Trae Young auto, rookie. That and the Michael Porter. Not a bad two boxes for, you know, $65 a box. Alright, cool. Thanks.